Lecoq de Boisbaudran hailed from a noble Huguenot family with roots in the provinces of Poitou and Angoumois. The Huguenots, French Protestants, faced persecution during the French Wars of Religion, which culminated in the revocation of the Edict of Nantes in 1685. This led to the confiscation of much of the family's wealth and property. Paul-Émile was born to Paul Lecoq de Boisbaudran and Anne-Louise, who provided him with a well-rounded education, including history and foreign languages. An autodidact, Lecoq de Boisbaudran cultivated his scientific knowledge through self-study and hands-on experimentation in a modest laboratory he set up at home. His early passion for chemistry led him to develop a deep understanding of the subject, eventually paving the way for his significant contributions to the field. In 1897, he married Jeannette Nadeau-Valette, though they had no children. Lecoq de Boisbaudran's research initially focused on the phenomenon of supersaturation, where substances can exist in higher concentrations than normal. His early investigations revealed important principles regarding the precipitation of substances from supersaturated solutions. In 1874, he made pivotal advancements in the field of spectroscopy, which studies the interaction of light with matter. He characterized numerous chemical elements using innovative spectroscopic techniques, ultimately analyzing the spectra of 35 elements. His 1874 publication, Spectres lumineux, documented his findings and theoretical frameworks based on molecular vibrations and atomic weights. His experimental apparatus involved sealing a salt solution in glass tubes and using platinum wires to induce luminescence, which allowed him to discover new elements. Among his notable discoveries were gallium. 1875, Lecoq de Boisbaudran isolated gallium from sphalerite ore, utilizing spectroscopic methods to identify two unique spectral lines. He named the element after Gaul, his native land, although it was suggested that he was also referring to his name, which he denied. Samarium. 1879, after isolating samarium oxide, he identified this new element through its distinct optical absorption lines, naming it after the mineral samarskite. Dysprosium. 1886, through the precipitation of rare earth compounds, he isolated dysprosium, naming it for its difficulty of extraction. His work also contributed to the development of the periodic classification of elements, where he proposed that argon belonged to a new group known as noble gases. Lecoq de Boisbaudran's accomplishments did not go unrecognized. In 1872, he was awarded the Bourdin Prize from the French Academy of Sciences for his contributions to the field. A few years later, in 1876, he received the prestigious Cross of the Legion of Honor. By 1879, his outstanding research earned him the Davy Medal, further solidifying his reputation in the scientific community. That same year, he was honored with the Prix Lecoq of 10,000 francs. In 1888, his contributions were acknowledged internationally when he was elected a foreign member of the British Royal Society, marking his influence beyond France. His health began to decline due to ankylosis of the joints after 1895, ultimately leading to his death on May 28, 1912. Paul-Émile Lecoq de Boisbaudran's legacy is one of significant scientific contribution, particularly in the realms of chemistry and spectroscopy. His discoveries not only advanced the understanding of rare earth elements but also laid foundational work that continues to influence the field today. As we reflect on his achievements, we recognize the importance of curiosity, perseverance, and innovation in the pursuit of knowledge. Paul-Émile Lecoq de Boisbaudran left an enduring legacy through his remarkable contributions to chemistry and spectroscopy. Our Anthropology Series honors Boisbaudran for his groundbreaking discoveries, which not only enhanced our understanding of rare earth elements but also established foundational principles that still resonate in the field today. As we celebrate his achievements, we acknowledge the vital roles of curiosity, perseverance, and innovation in the pursuit of knowledge. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again on Friday for another biopic.